The BJP now has intensified its attack on the Congress party on the issue of alleged vote theft. After revealing Congress national spokesperson Pawan Khera's 2 voter IDs, the BJP has now targeted his wife as well, who's a Congress leader also, for holding 2 active epic cards. The BJP has now asked Rahul Gandhi as to why is he silent. The Congress meanwhile says the BJP is trying to divert attention from real issues. Listen in.
We need to understand that what the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi ji spoke about on the Mahadevapura 1 lakh fake voters and the way the election commission is silent about it is a very serious issue. And BJP is trying to divert from their vote chori to some other issues, which is not non-issues. They are trying to convert it. And they are trying their best to do this kind of thing. Yesterday, in your channel itself, Mr. Pawan Khera had explained to Ankit Tiwari, Tyagi, in his interview also, clearly what was, when he has given it writing, when he was shifting the votes, he has given it in writing that that vote should be deleted. If Election Commission is not doing their work, the problem for us is that when the Election Commission is failing to do its work, then we are questioning.
देखिए, एक बार फिर से जाहिर हो गया है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी मोहब्बत की दुकान नहीं है, फरेब और फर्जीवाड़े का बाजार है। जरा सोचिए, पवन खेरा जो CWC मेंबर हैं, मीडिया हेड हैं, उनके दो वोटर आईडी पाए जाते हैं, EPIC कार्ड्स पाए जाते हैं और अलग अलग। अब उनकी पत्नी कोटा नीलिमा जो बाकायदा 2023 में जिन्होंने चुनाव लड़ा था 60 खैरताबाद विधानसभा से, तेलंगाना से जो उम्मीदवार रही थी, उनके भी दो वोटर कार्ड पाए जाते हैं। राहुल गांधी जी जिनका खोजी पत्रकार जाग जाता है जब आम नागरिकों की बात होती है, बुजुर्गों की बात होती है, महिलाओं की बात होती है, जिनके नाम आप सार्वजनिक कर देते हैं और आपके सारे दावे झूठे निकलते हैं क्योंकि आप हलफनामा लिखने से भाग जाते हैं।
A war between allegations and counter allegations, one expose versus the other, and the BJP of course has amplified its attack on the Congress party on the alleged vote theft by bringing in Pawan Khera's wife Kota Nilima into the picture. Kota Nilima is also a Telangana Congress leader. She has fought elections in 2023 and this comes just a day after BJP alleged that Pawan Khera, who's the head of social media department, who's the head of media and publicity department and also a CWC member, he holds 2 active epic cards, and now the BJP has claimed that Kota Nilima, who is a Congress leader from Telangana and also the wife of Pawan Khera, also has 2 active epic cards, one from Khairatabad, which is in Telangana, and the other one from New Delhi along with her husband. Now the point is, Pawan Khera has already clarified yesterday that he had written to the ECI seeking the cancellation of one of his epic cards, but then the ECI did not move on that, and that's exactly what the Congress party has been talking about, that the ECI needs to work on a transparent, accountable fashion. But this of course has been intensified with the BJP also putting out the epic card numbers of Pawan Khera and of course Kota Nilima. Nilima has not really reacted to this, but Pawan Khera of course has reacted to this yesterday, and the BJP has made this very important point. If this is happening to the close coterie members of Rahul Gandhi, then Rahul Gandhi really cannot extricate himself from the criminality of this action, and that he should stop maligning Indian voters and the fundamentals of Indian democracy by questioning Indian voters and why they have epic cards when his own people, when his own members, when his own associates and confidants have the same. So clearly, we'll have to wait and see how the Congress party reacts to this. I'm told that they are also planning something tomorrow. We'll have to wait and see how far this controversy goes.